Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Good morning. This is Inday Vida. So for today's video, guys, we're going to Walmart to buy some of the our groceries. So this looks like, guys, all the chocolate they got in here. So we're looking for our chocolate that we always get, and now I'll show you how big it is. So that's super big. So as you can imagine, guys, how many chocolate brand of the chocolate that they got over there. And also we're going to get some of my chips, okay? So just keep on watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Inday Vida. So I got my chips, so I need to try this kind of chips because I never had it before. So I try it, guys, so I can choose different kind of taste or different kind of chips that I got. So let's go there. We need to find another mixed nuts. Okay, so mixed nuts is for my honey. So let's take a look. So that looks like nut. Okay, uh, so it's not in there, guys. We need to go back, and then we decided to go there here this aisle, hoping that it's in here, okay, because I think they changed it, so we don't know where is it now. But we noticed, my husband noticed that it's in there, so we get a mixed nut. Yeah. So now we're going to check out now, okay? So just keep on watching. So this one is looks like huge, super huge. So everybody can see different kinds, different brand. And I told to my sister that she loved in here because it's a cake decoration. And so I'll stay here, guys, while my husband is getting some cereal. So as you can see, it's a lot. Say wow. So I need to check my husband first. Where is he? Okay, so he's there. So I need to go back where I'm at. So there he is. So ayan na. So ang dami pala dyan. Okay, so next is mag-get tayo ng favorite na fruits ni Vida. Yeah, we need to get some fruits. By the way, we forgot that we need some bread. Okay, so I'm looking for bread. So when I get here, I said, oh, it's not here. So I need to go back. I said, oh, in here. So I can't believe, guys, the brand that we want is gone. Yep, but a lot of bread. You can choose different kind of brand. They got Italian brand. Yeah, they got a lot. And Millie's bread. So a lot. So my husband just decided to get a different. Okay. And now, so we got our bread now. So we decided we got our bread. So let's go to the next aisle for the fruits and vegetables. So we just get some few of the our stuff, guys. Okay. So this is looks like. It's so nice. Yeah, so this one is bakery area, guys. Okay, so a lot of banana. Yeah, so I need to get my banana. It's called plantain, guys, but I saw some this. It's a guava. Guava. And I got the banana. Okay. So and then after that guys, I'm checking some of the sweet potatoes also. Okay, so that's the only hit that we need. I think that I need. Okay, so I can mix with my rice, guys. So we decided, I said to my husband, now we need some pears, so we get some pears.
Some what, pears?
Yeah, pears.
So you said beers.
No. So here we go. So let's get some banana. But by the way, guys, the banana is stripped. So I need to get another plastic. Give me a sec. So that's Vida. Hi, Vida. Okay, so another plastic. So I decided to go to get some sweet potatoes. So let's go check the sweet potatoes. So the sweet potatoes, guys, I think it's $1 each. So I need to get that. So I decided to get 3. Yep. So they got a lot of sweet potatoes. I don't understand my sweet potatoes. It's not yet growing. So I think we're done now, guys. Okay. So next is we're going to get the flowers. Yeah, so let's get some flowers, guys. After, yep. So as you can see, it's $5. So it is $5 per pound. So get the flowers now. So my husband said, "Oh, you got flowers in here. They want roses. Yep. Yeah, so I decided I need to get the rose days so I can grow. But we'll see. I need to keep you updated for that. Yep. So that's the rose. Dun. It's pretty. It's pretty. So we're going to check out now. Self check out. Okay, that's it. Oh, wait a minute. We need to check some cakes. Yep, we're checking some prices of the cake, guys, because my little sister, she's baking a cake. So We need to check, but she made some 2 layers, but the one is only 1 layer. So we need to go to cake area. Cake. So let's go there. But we noticed that, guys, that there's no second layer. Okay, all first layer. So it's not, we can't figure out how much is it there, because there's nothing. So we said, let's go home. We need to check out now. So that's the only thing, guys, that we went back because of the cake price. Okay, but we never bought it. We just looked the prices, guys. Okay, so my little sister knows how much is it if she can sell. Okay, so let's go self check out. Okay, but I noticed some teddy bears. Yep, so it's purple teddy bears. So this one is, I think this is the self check area. Okay, ta-da. So here you go. So that's the one that we got. So I think we're done, guys. I didn't take some videos. Only this in here. Okay, then we're getting ready now. So let's go out now. So we already paid that, guys. Okay, so now it's done. So let's go home. Say, oh, have a nice day, everybody. So it's night day. It's night day. Okay, so we went to Walmart. It's night day. But as you can see, a lot of people still. So I think, guys, that's it for today. This is Inday Veda. Okay. So people, no, a lot of people. Okay. So thank you for watching. It's Inday Veda channel. Bye.